In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink Google Photos from your Gmail account. This process can be really useful if you're looking to manage your digital content more efficiently or just prefer to keep your Google Photos separate from your Gmail for privacy reasons. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and go to the Google homepage. Here, you'll need to make sure you're logged into the correct Google account. You can do this by checking the profile picture icon in the top right corner of the page. If the account displayed there isn't the one you want to modify, simply click the icon and log out, then log back in with the correct account credentials. Next, navigate to your Google account settings. You can typically find this by clicking on the profile picture icon again, and then selecting the Manage Your Google Account option. This will take you to a page where you have access to all the various settings that come with your Google account. Look for the section titled Data and Privacy. This is the place where you can control how your information is used across different Google products. Once you're in Data and Privacy, scroll through until you find the option related to managing your Google Photos settings. This might be nested under a category related to third-party apps or connected accounts, depending on any Google updates. Here, you're looking for a specific option that allows you to unlink or disconnect Google Photos from Gmail. It's important to read any prompts carefully, as you'll want to make sure you understand the impact of unlinking these services. At this point, you may be asked to confirm your choice, possibly through a prompt or even a re-entry of your password for security purposes. Don't worry, these additional layers of verification are there to protect your account from unauthorized changes by others. Proceed with the confirmation to finalize the unlinking process. As a final step, it's a good idea to double-check that everything is set as you intended. You can do this by attempting to access Google Photos and Gmail separately to confirm they're not sharing data or linked in any unforeseen ways. It's also wise to familiarize yourself with the new layout or any changes to the user interface post-unlinking. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully unlinked Google Photos from your Gmail account, giving you more control over your digital ecosystem. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips on managing your online life seamlessly. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.